morning, boys and girls. Today is day 7 in our two-syllable homograph sort 124. You know that a homograph is a word that sounds the same and is written the same. It only is going to be different by which syllable we stress. We know the first syllable is a noun, the second syllable is a verb. So right now, go ahead and sort your words. Pause the video. All right, now that you've sorted your words, I am not going to uncover my words because you remember today is blind sword. Oh, and you already know the rules of blind sword. Blind sword is where I take my handy dandy notebook. Here it is. And I'm going to write down my date. And today is 3-29-21. I know your date is different. Write your date. Please check on your calendar if you must or ask someone. And it is blind sword. So blind sword. Now the blind sword means you have to remember as many of the words as you can. And today is easy because you only have to really remember 10. So we have our nouns over here. I'm going to put a number 1. And our verbs over here. I'm going to put a number 2. And you all know what that means. That means which syllable we're stressing. And then you need to write down a word. Now, one of my favorite words is, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to just give you one word, and it's to insert. The insert in my pocket was made out of silk. So it's insert. And they stress the silk. My verb is going to be insert right here. Insert. And we're going to stress this up. So look, when I'm done, I'm going to check. I'm going to unveil it. I'm going to check. Did I spell it correctly? Yep. Did I spell it correctly? Yep. If you didn't spell it correctly, then you do not get a check mark. If you have to write it after the fact, that means once you unveil it, then you're like, oh, I forgot to write down this word. You don't get a check either, but you still have to write it down. Make sure that you have all 20 words, 10 on the nouns, 10 on the verbs. See you next time, my little friends. Let me know if you knew them all. Posted on Class Dojo.